Welcome back to the BBC. So, remember when I got my clutch replaced in the BBC, and everything was great, but I knew I was having an issue with my fifth gear, and knew I needed to get a new transmission, and I, was working on it. And today I went to an appointment and cruising down the highway, and boy, let me tell you, knockety knock knock coming from the rear end and a shuddering whenever I was getting up to speed. And I'm pretty sure that my transmission is fried. Well, not fried. The car still runs, it still moves, it does what it does, but it doesn't feel right. And you know your car, and when something doesn't feel right, you know something's just not right. Well, I need a new transmission. The BBC is not happy. I'm not happy because I really do like my car. I love driving this thing. It's wonderful. Lots of people like the car, but it's just really sad. And now I have to stop driving it for who knows how long until I get a new transmission in this car. So I'm not very happy at all. It's oh, the sadness, the sadness, the sadness. I mean, you ladies and gentlemen who are car people can probably understand me when I tell you that I am just sick to my stomach. I mean, nothing detonated, the rear end didn't go out or anything, which is something else I probably need to take a look at as well. But definitely need the transmission replaced, possibly even get the rear end done as well. And I still have to find the time to get, or find a shop that has the time and doesn't have 6 months to a year and a half, 2-year waiting list to get the pistons done. So that's still something else on the plate. So it's very sad when you have a car that you love and you like to drive and you want to do good things with it and just have fun with the car and do content and whatnot, and you can't do those things because it's broken. So I will make sure to do my best to keep making content, if not about this car, about other vehicles and about things that are going on in the car community. And let's not forget, I also have my motorcycle. This is Lucy, love her to death, and I may most likely start doing some moto vlogs on Lucy as well, because I really don't have much of a choice when I have a car that is kaput. So thank you guys for watching this today. I know this is really short, not a whole lot to it, but I'm going to get her fixed. Give me a little while, a few months or whatever. I'll get the transmission replaced, get the rear end looked at, and try to get those pistons put in as soon as I possibly can so we can increase the horsepower in this car and do some good content with it. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for joining me. Please don't forget to hit the like button down there, the little thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And please be careful out there. Remember, keep it under 100, but if you cannot keep it under 100, it's your ticket. You're going to have to pay it. So have a great day and be safe.